It's time you learn the Chinese accent, very distinct from the American accent, where, as we know, the resonance is in the middle of the mouth. And the standard American English accent tends to be relaxed in the throat. Not the case for the Chinese accent. There is more tension in the mouth. Resonance is upper, and the pitch is higher. The mouth is narrow. Well done. Let's get into it. Someone speaking English with a Chinese accent might have the tendency to change the TH sound to either an S or a Z sound. For instance, those. Thank you. Thank you. Thunder and lightning. Thunder and the lightning. My father will cook for Thanksgiving. My father will cook for Thanksgiving. Hear the V sound when he said Thanksgiving? Me neither. Because someone with a Chinese accent might have difficulty pronouncing that V sound with the teeth on the lips. For instance, very, victory. I like this one. Vegetables. Vegetables are very good. Vegetables are very good. I love them. I love vegetables. Something I've noticed, the oo sound often gets an ooh sound. For instance, good, gooda. Cook, kuka. Should, shuda. I went to the zoo and got a tattoo. I went to the zoo and got a tattoo. It sounds very cool. It's very common for someone speaking with a Chinese accent to add an extra sound after vowels. Don't ya? Like this. This game. I don't like this game. I don't like this game. I've noticed when anyone's trying to learn a language, including myself, we tend to be real focused and we look confused at the same time. And I think because Chinese people have a great work ethic and try to be so precise, that this may be particularly true for them. For instance, if I say, I don't know. I say, I don't know. Why are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing at me? I will seek my revenge. I will seek my revenge. Whoa, wouldn't want to mess with him. Have you noticed quite often the G is eliminated from the end of words? Growing, glowing, young, boring, bowing, bring me the ring, bringa me the ring. It's so common when you're learning a new language to put the stresses on the wrong words. For instance, baseball is better than ping pong. Baseball is better than ping pong. Notice how he said better in that sentence. There was an overemphasis on the T. Better. To pronounce the L sound, it's not always easy for someone with a Chinese accent. In America, remember, the mouth is kind of relaxed. We open our mouth wider, and our upper lip goes up higher. We're almost smiling when we say an L word. For instance, including. Too much pollution is causing global warming. Too much pollution is causing global warming. I swear I've heard the reverse happen when the R becomes the L. Really? Lily? Rain. Lane? It's really raining. It is really raining. Nice. Also, I've heard the long A turn into a short E when listening to someone with a Chinese accent. Game becomes gim. Shame. Shim. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. There you go. Some valuable tips to help you learn the Chinese accent. Now go out there and give it your best. Don't worry about being a perfectionist either. Like the video, make a comment, subscribe. I love you. Wa ani.